In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or multiply numbers using mondaycom. If you're looking to make your project management more efficient, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's get started by heading over to mondaycom. Once you're on the website, look for the login button, typically positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will bring you to the login page. If you're not already signed in, you can use the Login with Google feature for a quicker entry. Simply select your Google account associated with mondaycom, and you'll be logged in effortlessly. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your specific board where you want to perform the calculations. Boards in mondaycom are like a workspace for your projects or tasks where all your data is organized. Once you're on your desired board, look for the formula column. This column is specifically designed to perform calculations on your board, offering a powerful tool for managing numbers and data effectively. To perform a multiplication operation, click inside the formula column. You will notice a drop-down menu that allows you to select the columns containing the numbers you want to multiply. The multiplication sign you'll use is the asterisk. And this will work to multiply the values from the selected columns swiftly. Similarly, if you wish to add numbers, you're going to follow a comparable process. In the formula column, select the columns that contain the values you want to sum up. Instead of using a symbol, you'll utilize the sum function. Simply type sum followed by the column's data, and mondaycom will handle the addition for you seamlessly. Once you have composed your formula and you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to apply the changes by clicking on Set Formula. This action confirms your formula, applying it across the board for the selected columns. And just like that, mondaycom will continuously update those fields according to your formula, saving you a significant amount of time and manual calculations. These steps will help streamline your data management within mondaycom, allowing you to concentrate more on strategic tasks rather than getting bogged down in numbers and calculations. Remember, practicing these steps a couple of times will make you more comfortable with them, and soon it'll become second nature. So there you have it, a straightforward method for performing basic arithmetic in mondaycom. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more resources and tips on how to maximize your use of mondaycom for project management efficiency. Until next time, enjoy your seamless data organization.